We're going to be putting in this shower pan here. And so originally there were slats on our floor, and what we did is we came in and we put in 3/4 plywood like this. So very thick stuff. It's also $60 a sheet. So you can see it is not thin, and it's also sanded because you do want a nice flat surface. So it can handle tiles well, as well as a shower pan, especially pre-made one like that. And then this right here is a moisture barrier, which is important because otherwise the wood will suck the water out of the deck mud before it can cure correctly. Also, it does provide sun protection. I trace the outline where the shower pan is going to end, so I don't need to keep going past it. And then in our case, this is a 54-inch by 32-inch shower pan, and I'm going to be using 2, maybe 3 50-pound bags of this stuff. So you do want to make sure you've got a nice amount, ideally probably close to 3/4 of an inch all the way around. I've already added some shims underneath this thing. I got my bed level. I marked off on all the studs where a level is, but that is really important. And yeah, just make sure you've got enough of this stuff, because if you have too little, it'll just crumble, and then your pan won't be well supported, and then it'll start creaking over time, and that's how you get cracks, and you have to go do all this stuff again. So you do it right the first time, don't make the mistakes I've made, and you should be good. So we'll see how this looks. All right, this is the mortar bed deck mud down. So the best I could to make it level with all these guys, just so it's approximately even. And again, it's maybe about an inch thick, 3/4 of an inch. Got my shims underneath, so all I gotta do now is just tap this thing down, and should be good. Shower pan is in, and here is the level on this side, as good as I can make it, and there, good as I can make it. Same on these two sides. So now I'm gonna put some 80-pound bag of concrete either side, help it sit while the deck mud cures, and should be good to go.